Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the fillet and chamfer commands in SolidWorks. So I am going to select this new. In new, I am going to select this part. Now here you can see our regular window of SolidWorks. Now I am going to select the plane in which I am going to draw one sketch. So I am going to select this, and here I get a 2D plane. Okay, this is a front plane, and in this front plane I am going to select this sketch. I am going to draw a rectangle, and here I am going to select this line. I am going to draw this line. Now see here, before I am going to tell you what is meant by fillet or chamfer command, first I would like to tell you why there is a provision of fillets and chamfer in our automobile components. Now see here, you must be knowing that if the surface is sharp, then it could result into cut on our hands when we are handling that component. In order to avoid such incidents, the edges of the components are made in smoother. Okay, so there is a provision of this fillet and chamfer to make these surfaces or the edges in a smooth fashion. Now here I am going to use, here there is one, in Sketch there is one tool which is known as like this tool. So here I am click, so this one is a sketch fillet type of tool. If I click on this sketch fillet type of tool, I get the first as a sketch fillet or sketch chamfer. So I'm going to select this sketch fillet. So here on my left hand side, I have to select this entities to fillet, and the fillet parameter is the radius of fillet. Okay, so here I am going to select these two lines in which I have to make the fillet, and here the yellow point indicates the fillet which is going to be produced on this surface. So I am going to increase the radius of this fillet. Okay, so here 0.40 inch. Okay, I'm going to click on this. Okay, so this one we can say this is the fillet. Okay, so now you can see here there is a dimension also present on this, and now here for this section I'm going to another make one fillet. So I'm going to select this section and this section. Here I'm going to increase this fillet. Okay, so this becomes this. Okay, now here I can change the dimensions of the components by selecting this fillet, and I can change this to, suppose, sorry, I'm going to select this fillet. Here R2, I can change this dimension to 40. Okay, mention, sorry, the change here is not able to happen. Okay, we will check what is the reason. But here we can see that by selecting these two edges in these entities and providing the proper radius, we can get the fillet or the smoother edges. Now here the next important part is the chamfer. Okay, now here I am going to make a chamfer on this rectangle. So here I get two options, angle distance, distance, and equal distance. So here I will select on this angle. Then here I can make or change a distance. So this I select these two edges. Okay, here the angle is 45 degree and the value of this chamfer is 0.9. Now here, if I can change the distance. I can make it 40. So here we can see there is a change in dimension of the chamfer. For this angle also, I can make it 30. Okay, so as correspondingly, the dimension of this chamfer changes. Now, the second option is distance, in which here we have to make the distance d1 and d2. Suppose I am making here distance of 0.20 inch and here distance of 0.40 inch. Okay, and I'm going to select these entities and these entities. So here I have got these d1 and d2 values, 0.20 and 0.40 inches. So here we can say it is a distance in two entities distance. It is monitored in angle distance. Here we can say the two one distance and one angle is monitored. Now we are going to see equal distance. Here I have put 20 inch. So I'm going to select this entity and this entity. Sorry, this entity. Sorry, I'm going to select this equal distance. Okay, equal distance. I'm select this plane. Okay, and this plane. It is not getting selected. Okay, so we will first we have to set this. We will set this. Okay, we have set this. Then again we have to come here. We have to then sketch chamfer equal distance. I will put here 0.20 and I'm going to select this plane and this plane. So here I have got this equal distance chamfer on this edge. So I hope you have understood the commands of the chamfer and fillet. I hope you can practice this command in the software. Okay, if you find any difficulty for using this software, you need help for practice for doing practice in this software, you kindly please contact me. Okay, so thank you for today.